Hello, Flower Glamorous and Cooking with Beverly's family. Hello! Welcome! I'm glad you stopped by today. Today, we are going to be doing a video on an old-time summer favorite, cucumber, tomato, and onion salad. Stay tuned so you can learn. Okay, this salad consists, I'm using 2 cucumbers. You can use 2 or 3, however many you may want, and I've already skinned it back a little bit. I know it's not cute, but it doesn't matter. Once we start slicing them, you'll see what's going on. I sliced up 2 tomatoes, 1 onion slice. We're gonna put some dill in there, fresh dill. It smells so good. I have a cup of vinegar. I have a cup of sugar. A 1/4 cup of olive oil. And I also have a cup of water here in case I need to stretch it and put some water in it. Now this cucumber, tomato, and onion salad is an old-time favorite. As I talk, we'll cut. Okay? This salad, people have made it in so many different ways. You can fix it however that you feel your taste bud is for it. You know, some people put water in it. Some people just put vinegar in it. And you can add other vegetables to it. It's just whatever your taste is. I have been eating this salad since I was a little girl. And each time I fix it a different way. I do something different to it. But it's easy to fix. Once you get it together, put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. 30 minutes to 2 hours, it just depends, and let it chill good. It's good in the summertime for picnics to carry when you during these times. We're not gathering together and having picnics and barbecues like we used to, but you can take it you can take it over in your little canning jar. It's real cute in the canning jar. See how it cut up? So the way it didn't matter. Just gave it a little design and color to it. I am going to get a bigger bowl to toss this. Hold on, please. Okay, I've switched bowls. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes in this bowl. We're going to put our onions in. And this salad goes with anything. This is the olive oil. Sprinkle it all over it. Now we're going to put in the vinegar. We're adding the sugar. I like a lot of sugar in mine, so that's why I'm using a cup. Some people just use a 1/4 of a cup. It just depends on your taste buds. For myself and my husband and our family, we like a lot of sugar. Okay? You see the juices are down in there, so you don't have to use a lot. And you just toss it. And I'm gonna put a little dab of water. I'm not gonna use much of this water. Well, I used about 1/2 cup of water. And just stir it up real good. Get those flavors mixed together. That's why when you sit it in the refrigerator and it's chilling for 30 minutes or more, those flavors are blending and going through. Okay, now I'm going to put in a little bit of the fresh dill. This is going to set it off. Some people don't put fresh dill in it. You can just put whatever your taste calls for. But the main thing is to let it set for a while so those flavors can blend. Okay, now let's toss it with this dill in here. Dill all over my hands. Oh, that dill smells so good. I love the smell of dill. Okay. And here is the salad. Just look at this, isn't it? I tell you, it looks so good. That is your salad. This is your cucumber, tomato, and onion salad. And I have a little jar here. All my Canon jars are full. I save all jars because you never know when you need one of them. I'm going to pour some. You going somewhere and you want to bring something for a potluck dinner, and you want it to be cute in your little jar, just put some of this salad in the jar and wipe it off. Shake it up. Put a little more juice in there. Or you have a little senior friend and you want to take them something special, to grannies or to your parents. Just look at this. You can use it. You can put it in a jar like this. Let it chill in the refrigerator. If you want to jar it up, instead of leaving it in the bowls and leaving it in jars and take it out as you want to eat in the refrigerator, that's another way of doing it. However you want to do. I want to thank everyone who has came today and watched this video. Thank you so much. And if it's your first time here, please subscribe to our channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this video. And if you have any more ideas about videos you would like me to make, give me a thumbs up on this channel. I would appreciate it. And I want you to remember, I love you, but God loves you more. You know why? Because you are God's masterpiece. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing